Hello guys, today we have a nice gaming Lenovo that is not turning on at all. As you can see, I did connect the charger on this machine, but first I had to confirm whether the charger was working or not, and there we go. We have the 20 volts coming from the charger. It means our charger is working. But still, when I press the power button, there's no LED, no light, nothing. Okay, anyway, the client told us that this machine is liquid damaged. So I believe the motherboard is the one affected. Né? Okay, so what I did was, after seeing that the machine was not turning on because there was no light. Oh wait, there was a light. I made a mistake. The light was flashing. If you can check there on the power button, you can see that the light, the LED, the power button LED was flashing, but nothing on the screen, and this was just flashing continuously. Okay, meaning it wasn't a code. There was no code, nothing. It was just a consistent flashing. Alright, so in a case like this, guys, without a waste of time, I had to remove the entire motherboard and see what went wrong. Okay, and see what went wrong on the motherboard. So I had to remove everything step by step. And there we go. I was removing all the screws, so I had to take out the motherboard, remove the motherboard completely, guys. Anyway, guys, I did a physical inspection, but I had to show you under the microscope. So we had to go through together and see what went wrong. What went wrong on this motherboard? Anyway, there was signs of liquid all over the motherboard. So that chip right there, as you can see, it doesn't look good at all. So as always, I had to use alcohol. I normally use a brush just to clean the board and to remove that extra corrosion or extra dirty on a motherboard. Guys, here I didn't change any chip. I used the same existing IC, so I had to clean it first, and make sure that all the pins are touching and the chip is proper touching into a motherboard. I use pure alcohol 99% to clean to clean the corrosion, to clean the motherboard, and it works perfectly fine for me. I have never had any issues with using pure alcohol. It's always good to use the 99% alcohol. Just use a brush and you'll be fine. Okay, I had to look around, look for some other affected areas. Okay, anyway, the chip doesn't look good, the IC doesn't look good at all. So what I normally use, I normally use a flaxi. We have to apply a flaxi on the affected area, and then apply heat, and then by doing so, you'll be reflowing the IC, making sure that all the pins are touching the motherboard and are touching an IC. You have to be sure of that. As we can see, you don't have to use too much heat. Just give it some time. I don't know, I wasn't using too much heat. As we can see, it's taking a bit time for what, for the pins, I mean for the eye pins to be what, to be affected by heat. As you can see, I was taking some time. Put more flaxy if you have to. Alright guys, anyway, and then I had to look for another corrosion, for another place that was affected, and there we go. This is kaboom, a big bent mark right there. As you can see, that's black, I mean that black thing there, I believe this was a coil. I mean this was a coil, because according to a motherboard it says PLZ8. It means coil number Z8. This was a coil. PL stand for a power inductor or power coil. So I have to remove, I have to fix that problem there. I knew that the coil was sitting right there and it's got bent, and the only thing that can bend a coil like that is when there's a short on the board, and then there was too much current going through or passing through, ending up bending a coil or an inductor. Coils are also called inductors, nah? So as always guys, I use 100 pure alcohol to clean the entire place. You have to clean the entire place first so that you can clearly see what was happening right there. Okay, as you can see, three things were affected: an inductor, that capacitor or ceramic capacitor, the brownish one, and that IC. You can see that IC right there, it's not touching the port. One of the pins there, it's broken. Anyway guys, it's all about fixing the mistake. It's all about redoing the entire motherboard. Anyway, there's nothing much to learn here except to build the broken trackpad. Anyway guys, this was one of the easiest to repair, I won't lie to you, but you have to be very careful. Check okay, in order to see which component was there, you have to check what the board number, check those codes around the motherboard. They will guide you, they will tell you whether the capacitor was there, a resistor was there. If not, you have to use the schematic. So anyway, everything was just easy. So I have to reflow the entire motherboard. Some of the ICs, some of the chips, I was forced to remove them completely and then redo their pads, okay, because they were not touching the motherboard. So I had to redo their tracks. I have to remove them completely and then build those broken track pads. After that, place them back again. Anyway, everything was easy and I did everything accordingly. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna leave it to you to go through this video and check steps and see how I did everything. Anyway, this was extremely easy to do and practical to do. Okay guys, some of the components just like this IC I didn't remove, but I have to reflow all the pins and make sure that all the pins are touching one by one. But some of the ICs I was forced to remove them completely, so I have to remove them completely, and of which I did remove them completely. You will see everything on this video guys, and there was nothing hiding on this video. Everything was just transparent, and I did everything right in front of you guys. Anyway, I hope you are enjoying this video, and I will do more and more and more. Anyway, I was so happy, guys. The machine turned on and it worked 100%, and I did everything easy and easy and easy. Sometimes liquid damaged are easy, sometimes they are horrible, but on this one it was easy, guys. I enjoyed bringing back this lovely gaming beast. Anyway, I brought it back to life and I enjoyed doing this repair, guys. I won't lie to you, it was easy and I enjoyed everything, every step. Anyway, I'm done. Bye bye.